awesome. I just brought a few of the things I get to play with on a daily basis. Okay. Close as we can to the judges. I got that. I got lots of good stuff here. Don't touch these, they're hot. All right. So, us science teachers are, well, let's just say we're not totally normal. Anybody else a science teacher? Okay. You know, we sometimes eat our science projects. You ever tried that? That's kind of why we're not normal. You think, you know, sometimes you have hot dogs left over. You know, I was at NASCAR all last weekend. We ate hot dogs for lunch, hot dogs for dinner, hot dogs for breakfast the next day, and lunch the next day, and hot dogs for dinner the next day. And guess what I had last night for dinner? Hot dogs. Yep. But you know what? Sometimes when I'm at school, I eat more hot dogs. And you just kind of forget some of these things that you at home, like condiments. So we have fun and try to make our own. Anybody ever try to make your own condiments? How about this? Got me up there? Instant mustard. How about that? Okay, sometimes it's try putting that on your hot dog. That would not be so good. Let's see. Get this one started for later. Anybody ever tried to blow out a birthday candle and lost their false teeth? Okay. That's fine. Good, good, good. Let me show you a way that you won't lose your false teeth. Okay. I got this little candle up here, and let's just move this thing back out of the way. I am done with it for a little while. There we go. Don't spill the mustard. Okay. They got me on the big screen so they can actually see. Okay, I've got something in a jar up here, and another little something here. You guys might recognize this little reaction. Got a little fizz going. Just a lid on top. Oh, by the way, anybody out there got a lighter? Anybody got a lighter? Somebody with a lighter? Anybody maybe in your purse, your pocket? Oh, awesome, awesome. You will be rewarded later, sir. Whew, looks like we're smoking. Better cool that bugger down. That's why I bring lots of water. Whew. Cool that thing down a little bit. That one's smoking over there too. All right. Okay, so I've created this little chemical reaction here. I'm going to light my candle. Candles are one of these things that need a couple of things. Anybody have any idea what they need? Oxygen, fuel, and a lighter. Okay, sometimes you can put them out. Hopefully this works. Over there. You ever tried that? Okay. One of the things that is created in some chemical reactions is, like in fire extinguishers, is carbon dioxide. Well, carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so you can actually pour it. You don't even have to put liquid on the flame. See if I can get it to happen again. See if I can pour my air out, and it blows it out. I still have all the liquid in here. Judges, is there any liquid other than melted wax on that candle? No. Let's see what we got going here. I like to crush cans too. You ever crush cans that way? May I do it again? Okay. When you... Now it's water. Okay, any idea why that happens? A little learning lesson for you. Okay. Anybody not see what I did the first time? Put the can in here, we got a little water in it, water vapor expands. You heat it up, it expands inside the container. It cools instantly when it hits that. So that's one of the cool things. Some of the cool things that I teach in class. I have Spot. Okay, Spot is my friend in the classroom. And I taught Spot some tricks. Sit. Good job. Lay down. There we go. Keep it wiggles a little bit. Okay. Fetch. Sometimes he doesn't learn real well. Maybe we could try this one more time. I said fetch. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times for him to actually learn this little trick. Hate it when they don't mind right away. Anybody got a dog that doesn't mind right away? I got 2 of them. Come on, Spot. Come on, buddy. Fetch. Nope. Still no? All right. One more time. Let's see. All the way across the stage. Maybe. If he doesn't fetch, I'm going to have to get another dog. I have to get another dog. Anyway, we'll try this one last time. Okay, Spot's one of these guys who's kind of temperamental. He sits and lays real well. Doesn't always fetch. Maybe we can get a tap in this time. Yes? No? There he wants to come back. All right. We'll forget Spot. He was doing real well earlier today. Anyway, here, how about you just sit up here and wiggle? You wiggle? There you go. All right. Can I get 3 volunteers? Oh, boy. Let's go with you all the way over there with your hand up in the corner next to Eugene. Yes. And, oh, go ahead back here. And start with the lighter. Can I get you to come back up and get your lighter? And, let's see, who else? We need a victim. A victim. Tyler, come on up here. Come on up on stage. Yeah, why not? You know, before I got here, here's your light back, sir. Okay, before I got here, I did a little prep work on this. And I got a ball and a funnel. And I happen to have a ball and a funnel for everybody. Let's see. Well, you're tallest. You're next. You get this one. Okay. There you go. There you go. All right. Now they each have a funnel with a ball in it. Okay. I did sterilize these earlier. Okay. What you're going to do, you're going to take this and you're going to put it in your mouth and blow straight up when I tell you to. Okay. I need some audience participation here. Which one do you think is going to go the highest? Which one? The smallest one's going to go the highest? Think of the air that these guys might put out. Which one?
I'm going with the big one.
You think that guy down there in the end's going to do it? Okay.
No, I know.
All right.
Put out.
On the count of 3, I want you all to put that into that funnel. I did sterilize them. Into your mouth and blow as hard as you can, straight up. See how we can get which one we get to go the highest. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Your floor might be broken over there. All right. Anybody have any idea why? All right. Everything I do has a reason and a purpose behind it. Okay. One of the ideas, or one of the reasons why. You ever seen airplanes go up in the air? Do you know why they go up in the air? Anybody ever tried to figure out how they get that big chunk of steel up in the air? Deals with air pressure. Do you know air travels farther when it goes over the top of the wings? Farther air has less pressure. Moving air has less pressure. So when your air moves faster, you're going to have lower pressure. It's going to create lift. Okay? The air pressure, air was moving from the bottom. Moving air has less pressure. So moving air from the bottom, still air on top, just hold it right in. Okay? So far, that's the end of my demonstration. I wish I could got Spot to work for you. It did wiggle for you. One more when it comes to the, let's get this thing going. Comes to air pressure. That's what enables the ball, oh, it's a little damp right now. What enables the ball to stay up in the air. And what's neat about air pressure is you can tip it sideways, and you can even hold it sideways. So you can create the illusion of being able to defy gravity. Anyway, same principle. Anyway, guys, it was a pleasure. Now just unplug my judges. And that's all I've got for you. Anyway, I get to do this every day for fun, so, you know, I figured I'd show it to you guys for today.
Thank you.
How many of you feel smart?